Good morning, kids. Hope everyone is safe and healthy at home. Children, today we are going to learn about sleeping line. Yes, in last session we have learnt about standing line. Now today we are going to learn about sleeping line. So tell me, children, that this is a standing line. My hand is raised, so we called it as a standing line. But in sleeping line, we bend our hand. This is a sleeping position. Yes, this is a sleeping line. Children, I am going to show you various pictures. We will learn how to draw sleeping line on slate, as well as we will learn how to trace letter in air. Trace sleeping line in air. Are you all ready to learn? Let's start.
We learned about standing line. You remember? Yes, standing lines. We will repeat this once again. Now, can you tell me how the raindrops are looking? Yes, they are in standing line position. Yes, children, last time we learned standing lines. Children, see these children? Yes, they are standing, they are in standing position. Yes, children, they are in standing position. Children, today we are going to learn one more new pattern. Yes, children, it is sleeping lines. Yes, children, what is this? Sleeping line. Yes, children, this is sleeping line. Now, children, tell me, can you see this train? Yes. Now, you tell me, children, do we see a train in standing line? No. Are they in standing position? No, they are always in sleeping position. Yes, so this train is also in sleeping line. It is looking like sleeping line, right, children? Yes, it is sleeping line. Now see this, children. Can you see the boat and the water? Yes, it is in sleeping position. Yes, children, it is in sleeping line. This is sleeping line. Now see, the lines between the objects are in sleeping line. Children, these are sleeping line. You remember standing line is different and sleeping line is different, okay? Now can you see this little boy? Yes, is he standing and sleeping? Is he standing? Is he in standing line position? No, he is sleeping. He is in sleeping line position. So he is sleeping. The position he is sleeping is sleeping line. See this girl? Is she standing? No, she is not standing and sleeping. She is sleeping. She is into sleeping line position, and that's why she is in sleeping line position. Okay, children? Yes, so children, we learned about sleeping line. Now, children, I will tell you how to trace sleeping line. Okay, we will learn how to draw a sleeping line. So, are you ready? Yes, children. Very good. Now children, see, you have to join the dots. Yes, this is sleeping line. Then once again, keep your hand and go. Yes, this is sleeping line. Once again, children, sleeping line. Very good. Now children, we will repeat this once again. Sleeping line. Yes, children. Yes, very good. Sleeping line. From left to right, sleeping line. Sleeping line. Very good, children. This is
Have one more fun activity for you all. Dear parents, please guide your child during this activity. So children, we are going to draw sleeping line on wheat flour. Okay children, shall we start? With your finger, we are going to draw a sleeping line on wheat flour. Come on. From left to right, sleeping line. From left to right, sleeping line. From left to right, sleeping line. Very good children. In this way, you can draw sleeping line on wheat flour. Children, activity we are going to do now. Children, see this. These are dough balls. Okay, from these dough balls we are going to do sleeping line. Okay, children. Now let's start. Take the dough ball and roll it like this. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Roll it like this. Yes. Very good, children. See, your sleeping line is ready. Take one more dough ball. Roll it. Roll it like this. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Your sleeping line is ready. I'm going to draw a sleeping line from left to right. From left to right. From left to right. From left to right. Sleeping line. 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 From left to
Now children, we have to form sleeping line. This is just a fun activity. You have to just find things around you. I got a ribbon. I'm going to place it as sleeping line. Then what I have pencils. Can you see? Pencils. Yes. Now I'm going to form it as a sleeping line. I'm going to place it as a sleeping line. Yes. Very good. Now I have few crayons. Can you see? Yes, I am going to place it. Yes, I'm going to form a sleeping line. Very good. Now I have a pencil box. Will I place it in standing line? No, I'm going to place it as sleeping line. Like this, you can practice with many objects at home. Enjoy. So children, keep practicing your sleeping line. Dear parents, please guide your child during this activity. Bye bye children, see you.